How to reset forgotten Netflix account password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you've forgotten your Netflix username and password and you want to recover them, I'll show you a quick and easy way to find and recover your forgotten Netflix username and password. So if you're new here, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. So there are two ways to recover your account's password and username. So if the first method does not work, be sure to try the second. So I'm sure that one of them will work for you. So open your system settings on your device. Go to the security section of Google account and go to password manager and then tap on manage passwords. If you saved your password of Netflix, it will display over here. So go to netflix.com or tap on the Netflix application and then enter your fingerprint or password, and there you will see your Netflix credentials. If this does not help, try this. Open your Netflix and then tap on your profile and then tap on account, and here's your username. So if you want to get your password, you will need to reset it. Since you forgot your password, it's best to change it. So tap on change password and then click on forget password. You can choose to reset it via email or text message, and after changing your password, you will know it. So that's how you can recover your Netflix password and username. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.